Okay, so we want to find the 6 trig values for the angle with the terminal side at -2, 1. So this is what this means. If we take our Cartesian plane and we take our angle with terminal side at -2, +1, that means this. Remember, you always start here and you go this way. This is your initial side.
Right, I got that.
Okay, so this is the angle that they're asking us about. And so what we do is we make a triangle out of this. This is -2, this is +1. With Pythagorean's theorem, we find this to be √5. So now we want to find all the trig values. So the sine of theta, we'll call that theta, the sine of theta is going to equal the opposite over the hypotenuse, ha2t, which is 1 over √5, which simplified is √5/5. Let's right away, let's do the reciprocal of that now.
So is that just...
So again, your teacher might be okay with this, but most likely they'll want you to rationalize the denominator, or at least you'll see it like that a lot of times. And all I did is I multiplied by √5/5. And I got √5/5.
Okay.
Now the cosecant is the reciprocal of that. So it makes more sense to take this one and flip it.
√5.
Which is just √5.
Okay.
Okay. So the cosine of theta is the adjacent over hypotenuse, which is -2 over √5. And again, if you simplify the radical, it's -2 √5/5. And the reciprocal of that is the secant, which equals, take the unsimplified version and flip it, -√5/2. Got it? Tangent, what's the tangent equal to? Opposite over adjacent, which is 1 over -2, which is just -1/2. And the reciprocal is the cotangent, which is just -2.